In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Excel sheet on Google Drive. Sharing files digitally is a common necessity, and knowing how to do it seamlessly can save you a lot of time and trouble. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently share your Excel sheets using Google Drive. First, you'll want to open Google Drive on your device. Whether you're using a web browser on your computer or the Google Drive app on your smartphone, the steps are quite similar. Once you've got Google Drive open, the next task is to find the Excel file that you wish to share. Look through your files for the specific Excel document, marked by the familiar .xlsx extension. If your files are neatly organized in folders, this step should be a breeze. However, if things tend to get a bit chaotic, Google Drive's search function can be a real lifesaver. Simply type in the file name to locate it quickly. Once you've found your Excel file, hover your cursor over it and right-click to open a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to click on Share. This action opens the sharing settings for your file. Here's where the magic happens. Sharing allows you to collaborate with others, getting their input or just giving them a peek at what you're working on. In the sharing settings, you'll see a section labeled Add People, Groups and Calendar Events. This is where you'll type in the email address of the person you want to share the file with. Typing carefully here is important to ensure your file reaches the right recipient. Now it's time to decide on the level of access you'll be granting them. Google Drive gives you 3 permission levels. The first is Viewer. Selecting this means the person can only view your file. They can't make any changes or leave comments. It's perfect for when you just need someone to see what you're working on. Then we have Commenter. With this level of access, the person can view the file and leave feedback in the form of comments. It's a handy option for gathering input without changing the actual content. The third permission level is Editor. This gives the recipient the ability to make changes directly to the spreadsheet. Use this option when you need true collaboration, allowing someone else to work alongside you on the document. Before you hit send, consider adding a personal message. This is optional but can be useful to provide context or instructions. Finally, when everything looks good, go ahead and click Send. This will share your Excel file with the designated recipient, sending them an invitation to access the document with the permissions you've set. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share your Excel sheets via Google Drive. This method not only enhances your productivity, but also facilitates collaboration, ensuring you and your team work together smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.